After teaching in senior high school for several years, I was fortunate enough to have a top senior English class with an enormous amount of talent. And I thought, well, we've got to make use of this talent in a way that is teaching, learning, and somehow involved with more people than ourselves. And because I knew the town that we all lived in had been built on coal mining, we decided that they were going to do a project which would end up as a musical stage play based on the coal mining industry of Nanaimo. And that meant that these students, they were very excited about it, I must tell you. These students then needed to go out and interview all the old-timers. They needed to read all the material that was available on the topic and learn as much as they could about coal mining in the district. It meant they had to get together to talk about what they had learned. They had to create written reports on what they'd learned. Then they had to convert all of this to a script that could be acted and sung on the stage. Then songs needed to be written. Then a production needed to be created. And at first, of course, I thought this would be great for end of term production in the school for the students. And when I saw how good it was, we opened it to the public. And in fact, what it turned out to be was a very emotional and very successful event, because the people in the audience were seeing their own story being acted out and sung on the stage. And that has always remained a precious memory for me.